Hey, I'm Bex, and today we're going to walk you through the process here at Vanity Studios. Now, if you've never done a photo shoot before, this is everything you need to know about the experience here. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos with us. So once you arrive at the studio, you'll be sat in our lovely lounge area with a drink of your choice. Once that's done and you're all settled, it's time for hair and makeup. So, the first thing we like to do is a quick consultation with our professional makeup artist. Now, this is your opportunity to try something new maybe. If you're a bit unsure, then you can always have a chat with them. They will recommend something that will suit you best. Now, as you can see, hair and makeup is going pretty well so far. Sandra, how are we feeling?
I'm feeling fantastic.
Beautiful. Time to go to set. So once you're in the studio, you'll be asked to hang up your outfits, go through them with your photographer, and then discuss the kind of shots you're looking for. Now, there'll be plenty of directions, so don't worry if you're not an expert poser. This always seems super nerve-wracking until you do it. Everyone actually loves this part of the day. So it's important you bring a few options in to make sure we get enough variety. Now, unless you're doing something very specific, variety is key to ensure you get the shots you absolutely love. A photo shoot with us really is a great experience that will guarantee results that you will love. Also, if you like the video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more.